Hi guys. So today I decided to share with you all my handbag collection from luxury brands. To be honest, I do not have many bags. I just have three, and I started my collection 2 years back. I bought all these bags from India. Like if you were like like me who used to believe that these bags are available only abroad, well, we all were wrong because these bags are very much available in India and with not much of price difference. So without any further ado, let's get into all the bags that I have. So guys, let's zoom up and let's talk about my first bag. Now this is the first bag that I ever bought, and this is the classic Speedy 30 in the bandolier version. As you can see, there's the band over here. My straps are inside because that's how you keep them to maintain the bag, to maintain the life of the bag longer. I always wanted to have my first bag to be a Louis Vuitton, and I always thought that it's going to be Neverfull, which is a classic tote bag. I'll show a pic of you in case some of you don't know how the bag looks. I always wanted to buy that bag, but over the period of time, to be honest, like in the last 2 years, my preferences have changed, the type of bag I like carrying. So Speedy 30 felt like a more apt bag for me. I got it monogrammed in my name, SS Swati Singh. It has a lock, it has a key inside, I've kept it inside. I have also my interiors are red, they also have a light pink interiors. I have got a bag organizer to give it a little structure to hold the shape because this tend to lose shape. And I have got it, like I've got the organizer to keep it like a little sturdy. This bag, now this bag is among the entry level bags from the house of Louis Vuitton. This bag was actually made famous by Audrey Hepburn, and the size 25 actually she made it famous. And post that, this bag became a rage. And till date, it is one of the best-selling bags from from the house of Louis Vuitton. It is the classic ebony. This is the classic ebony canvas, and there are 3-4 canvas option available. Also, there are leather option available, which is like double or triple the price of what it is. But talking about me, I bought this bag from the Bombay store in Louis Vuitton, in the Taj Hotel. I seen this bag. I waited for 6 months. I planned my budget. I saved money for it, and I went ahead and then bought it. I knew exactly the day I was gonna buy it. I had everything planned in the last 6 months. You can, if you're interested to buy this bag from India, the price difference, if a lot of time people think that the price difference is gonna be major when you buy it in France or Italy, at least from where that has come from, this brand belongs to. Obviously, there'll be a difference of like 10 to 12,000. Definitely, 10 to 12,000 is a lot of money. Not 10 to 12,000. That will be in this bag, but I'm talking from the point of view around 10 to 12% is what you're gonna be saving. But imagine the headache of carrying the boxes and the bag and everything with you just to save the 10% and the whole experience. Also, you might be aware that how much of theft happens in those countries. If you consider all those factors, I would still rather prefer paying 10-12% higher and get it serviced from the place where I live. So these are the reasons that I calculated and I went ahead and bought the bag from the store itself. So yes, coming back to the prices, a lot of you might be questioning what the prices is. The prices have already changed. Like since the time I first went and seen it, the price I actually bought to the prices right now, the prices have already changed 3 to 4 times. So I would request you to either check it online. If not, just give them a call and check the price. They always ready to tell you what the prices are. Now let's talk about my second bag, which is from the house of Gucci. I bought this from the Gucci store in Mumbai, which is at the Trident Hotel. And I had one of the best customer experience, guys. Like seriously, I was made so comfortable. I was a little hesitant, because I was carrying a Coach bag. I thought I would be judged or anything like that. And like trust me, I had the most beautiful experience there. Pavitra, the assistant store manager, she was like among the warmest person I ever met. Like I have previous experience from retail, and we bonded a lot over discussing about what the future retail is, how things are going and things like that. So yes, I had one of the best experience. So let's talk about the bag. This is bag from their Gucci padlock collection. It is the size small, and this is how stunning it looks. It's an absolute beautiful statement piece. And this is the sling. It's an absolute sling bag, and this keychain is really heavy, guys. Sometimes my shoulders really start hurting because of how heavy the chain is. You have to crossbody it, because when you try to sling it, it can slip, unless if you customize it by adding a scarf or something, then probably it will stay. But when you try to crossbody it, obviously it's the most safest option. And the chain is a little smaller, so the crossbody comes still towards your chest, like not a lot, but yeah, little towards your chest. Now talking about this section is so heavy that sometimes the bag doesn't stand on its own. Okay, so right now it will stand, but just keeps falling like this because of the weight of this padlock. So I love the combination of this dark brown, this canvas, and this black leather. It's just such a stunning, beautiful combination. And let's open inside. This is how it looks. This is how it is, extremely well maintained. It's barely used, honestly. And this is how you shut it safely without scratching the padlock. This has a key, and the lock is very much operational. Unlike many bags, they actually work. This key and lock and key works very well. I have a very love-hate relationship with this bag, because this bag is very reserved only for for night out, and I have to be very cautious about where I carry it. I have to ensure that I do not just keep it anywhere. So it's a little what is it, white elephant sort of a bag. You have to be very, very careful, but still no regrets. It is quite expensive. You can obviously check the price. I believe there has been price revision again on this bag, so you can check the prices by calling them or visiting the store or checking online. So yes, that is my second bag. Moving on, and to my final bag, it is again from the brand Louis Vuitton, and it is the Pochette Métis. And this is how gorgeous this bag is. And this is how it opens. The uniqueness of this piece is that it has this padlock, which is extremely famous, which is generally used for the trunk bag, and it has dark brown interiors. Again, there's canvas over here. I really love the way this sling is. I love how they have their monogram print over here. There are a lot of versions of this bag which has come out. The one in pure leather and one in like a reverse leather, reverse canvas look. I like them, but this is still my favorite piece among all. I mean, I shouldn't be comparing because I love them all equally, but then this has like 2% more because how convenient this bag is. I think among all three, I have used this bag the most, even though this I just bought like 7-8 months back. And this is, the leather is light. I have to be a little careful. Actually, I'm thinking of tying a scarf here, because I've heard that this color can go darker, and because of I do use it on my hands, and because of the sweat of your hands, the palm, the heat, the color can change, and I don't want that to happen, because you can already see the difference. Like this is how it was, and look at the color here. So you can already start seeing the changes, but that's leather. Leather is gonna keep changing the color, so that's still fine. And this is how this looks. This bag is not easy to buy. I bought it. There's a lot of waiting here in this bag because it's not available. You have to keep calling them every month. Is it come? Is it come? And someday you're lucky and you just go and find it. So that is how I got this bag. Again, the prices, I think there's been price revision. I don't know if this type is even available now, but you can still check if you're interested. And yes, that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my small luxury bag collection. I have one more bag I want to buy probably next year. I'm saving for it. These bags are not cheap. You need to save your way out of for those. And yes, hope you really liked watching. Do comment which one did you like the best. And now all this French company has made me crave for something French. So I'm gonna go enjoy my French macaroon from this brand Le Patisserie. So bye, take care.